Most real estate team leaders didn't dream about leading a team.
They dreamt about freedom and ended up managing chaos.
And I know that story because I lived it.
And I saw it over and over again as a team leader myself. I started as a teacher and I thought leadership was about helping people grow. But in real estate, no one hands you the playbook for that.
I built teams, I broke teams, and I rebuilt them from scratch. And every time I realized what team leaders need isn't more agents.
It's not about copying someone else's blueprint. It's about your mosaic. Every team needs different tiles, different pieces, and the Agent Mosaic, that's what we do. We help you figure out what kind of mosaic you're really building.
Not just a team that works, but a team that works for you.
We've helped leaders across the country finally feel proud of what they've built, not just exhausted by it.
Because building a team shouldn't break you.
It should become the best thing you've ever done.
Keep building.
Keep leading.
We've got you.
I started, I'm sorry.
You see your name, that's when